This is for my passive income investors. I love passive income. This is a passive income network. So I want to talk to y'all about some of my favorite dividend stocks. I got 3 dividend stocks that are very powerful to put some money in your pocket, less volatility, and have you earning a yield that is outside of crypto, that is outside of bonds and other forms of money earning. These is really good. So this one right here is LTC Properties, right? LTC Properties. LTC Properties, they're a REIT, real estate investment trust, and they deal with retirement homes. They have a high occupancy. That means they're always booked. And as people get older and over throughout these years and times, you want to go move to somewhere where you have stable living and all of the amenities. And for us as investors, we can get some bread off of that. We can get monthly money off of that. So this is a very secure, pretty dope monthly dividend stock. Currently, the yield is at 6.5%. Remember, the bonds right now, or the yields you can earn on platforms like Robinhood, Coinbase, and other platforms is about 4%. So this is 2.5% higher. Dividend yield of 6.5%. They've been a company since 1992. They don't miss on paying out. And every month they pay out 19 cents per share. So for about a $30 stock, you get 19 cents a month. Pretty solid. That's pretty solid to add to the portfolio. So if you want to earn income monthly, here it is. Boom, pay it out. Remember, put your DRIP, dividend, reinvestment plan on, and then it will buy you more shares over time. So 19 cents per share, which is 6.5%. And then the next one up, one of my favorites, this is Gladstone Investment Corporation. Now, Gladstone Investment Corporation been public since about 2005. So they over 20 years in the game. They always pay out. And what I like about Gladstone is they give you monthly payments, right, of about 8 cents. But what they also do, they give you bonus payments. Sometimes you get your regular 12 a year, but sometimes they give you an extra 2 or 3 payments, and they're usually around 50 cents a share. So you can get up to 13, 14, 15 payments a year with this. So that's pretty dope. So they pay a 6.9% dividend yield. That's even higher than LTC Properties. And this company here, Gladstone, is a business development company. So they buy non-public companies. They help grow them, develop them, build them up, and they use the revenue, the profits, to pay out us as the holders. In the last 5 years, the stock is up about 25%. Solid as well, small growth. However, the 6.9% paying you out monthly, that's fire, right? Now, finally, this one here is a nice grower over time, and this one is the Schwab US Dividend ETF, which is SCHD by Schwab. And that's where I brokerage I use. Schwab is good, Charles Schwab. They bought out TD Ameritrade merger. But anyways, the dividend yield is 3.9%. So very close to that 4%, which we know eventually that 4% bond will go down once market conditions change or Jerome Powell reduce the interest rates. 3.9, solid, some of the best out there. And then this ETF has like Home Depot, Lowe's, Coca-Cola, a whole mixture of companies that are dividend kings that are very consistently paying out dividends over time. So 3.9%, pretty fire. This is a quarterly stock, so you get 4 payments a year, about 25 cents a share. So also pretty solid if you're adding something like this to your investment strategy, investment plan, your passive income, your dividend portfolio. I would definitely look into that one. So that's 3 dividend plays for y'all: Schwab, LTC Properties, and Gladstone Investments. All right, y'all. Appreciate y'all for tapping in. Let me know if you have any questions about these dividends as well. Until the next time, y'all. Peace. Passive income, passive income. my dental. Thank God for my mental. Investor fundamentals, told my girl it was simple.